Should we hear everybody munching? Are you munching on my coat? Yes. Oh, Mama. This is Mama D's and Gracie's spot now, tonight. We're going to try this out. Greta's got a Polar Tech on. Frankie, quit hogging up the screen. There's Greta. And now Pony and Tinker have the goat stall, because when they're out here they make too much of a mess. Right, Pony? Yeah. Right, Pony? Minnie Mac. There's Selma back there too. Hi, Selma. Stretching. Hi, Gracie. I know you're so curious. So's Pony. Oh.